Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a Payoneer account. So if you're someone who is into making money online, or somebody who is making money online, you need to have Payoneer account. Yes, it's very important for you to have a Payoneer account. As you can see right here, your Payoneer account is your key to unlock a universe of opportunities, whether making international payments, receiving funds, managing your digital business, or accessing capital. Payoneer opens your business up to the world. So right here, if you come down right here, you can see that with Payoneer account you will receive money as a freelancer. You can see Upwork, Fiverr, you can receive money, e-commerce, you can receive money, content creator, digital marketing, travel, music, royalties. So Payoneer accounts allow you to receive money from all these things. Payoneer accounts allow you to create foreign bank account like US bank accounts, and let me just show you right here. So if you create Payoneer account to allow you, can see right here, get paid to local receiving account, receive bank account numbers in Euro, USD, and GPD, so or more, and get paid as easily as having a local bank account. So with Payoneer account, you can create a US bank and other countries bank accounts. So if you come right, you can see that so to withdraw your earnings, you can see that transfer your earnings to your local bank account. So whenever you make money online and transfer it to your Payoneer account, you can also withdraw it to your your local bank account. So Payoneer account is just like paper, but Payoneer have features than paper, because Payoneer allow you to create banks accounts in with other countries. So to get started, but before that, my name is Emmanuel. Basically, what I do in the channel is that I make videos on how to make money online. What I did that I try to sound like find out something working for me. I recommend that by showing you guys that I can do the same thing and get some results. So all I want to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel as you are watching it and turn on notifications. So with that said, so when you just click on this get started, once you click on this get started, it will bring you right here. So when you are here, just go ahead and click on this register. Once you click on this register, it will actually bring you right here. As you can see, you will need to create a password. Just put a password that you can remember, enter the password. You can see security question right here. This is to recover password whenever you forgot your password. So you need to ask a question here and answer it here. It's very simple. So you can see, just go ahead and click on ID type. So you can see, if you click on this ID type, they'll ask you of your national ID, driving license, passport. Just get and choose one, but me I prefer national ID. Just come right here and put your national ID card right here, your name, your national identification number right here. After that, you click on this capture right here. Anyone they put for you right here, just click on it right here. After that, just click on this next. After that, it will bring you to step 2 right here. As you can see, you put your city, put your postal code, put your phone number. After that, just go ahead and click on next. So when you are right here, just go ahead and click on this, just select personal account right here. You can see your country right here, just put your country right here. Your currency right here, just put your country currency right here. Just come down right here and select your bank right here. Just click right here, select your bank right here. You can see right here, my own right here is UBA right here. Sorry, UBA right here. Just come right here and put your account number right here. After that, just agree and click on this submit. As you can see right here, congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. So right here, you can see that they say, so all I will do right now is just to go to my email address right here and confirm. But very important, you need to download the app. So Payoneer have a mobile app like like paper. So just go to Google Play Store or App Store and download the app. It's very important. So let me quickly go to my email right here. that you can see right here that your Payoneer account have been created. So and with this Payoneer account you can receive money from all your online businesses like as a freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr and crossovers, as e-commerce, eBay, Walmart, welfare. This one right here, content creation, get images, shooter stock, Adobe. This one right here, travel. You can see this one right here, music reality. So Payoneer allow you to receive money from all these things. So if you find a value in this video, all I want you to do for me just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that anytime I upload a video on how to make money online, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually uploaded a video. So what I do is that I make videos how to make money online. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to email us too. Thank you.